coming in. There we are, India winning the toss and deciding to bat first. It's been a very good ground for India.
Good opening batsman. Well, you don't get better in world.
Hit on the up, will get off the mark with that single. That's in the gap. It's good timing as well. Getting off the mark with a superb boundary. String onto the pads. It's a gorgeous shot this time from Sachin Tendulkar. Back to back.
Over the top. So 4 more. And that's spectacular as well.
He seemed to like this shot. Looked down at his bat as if to say, well, sure, the way it's got to the boundary, I must have a beauty in my hands here.
Yes, he enjoyed that. Beautiful shot. Again. It's got that fine, but there is a man fine. He beats him. And once that happens, it's 4. Then sparkling touch from the outset. It's got that fine. That's off the bat. He really has found. Gets there. Second 100 on this ground. His 4th against South Africa. And in all, number 46 in one-day internationals. Easy today. Well, he's decided to cut loose. I think you're right, Robin. Great setup now for him to get a big score.
From around the wicket, Dumini into leg stump. And Tendulkar
getting a long way across and making it look so simple. The work
played that.
Oh, he screamed that for a boundary, Tendulkar. There's no stopping him. 253 for 2. And that might just make it. It does. 150 for Tendulkar. Again, fantastic placement. He knew exactly what he was doing, and he did it.
Adulation from this crowd. They've come here to watch him play like this, and they've got it. They've got every single rupee's worth that they've paid to be here.
That's 4 more. Really, it's looking too easy for this great man. He's playing the field. There's nobody in the deep on the offside. But you've got to say, you've got to question the line there.
Well, it's Langerfeldt's turn now. He's bowled quite brilliantly in context of this game. 6 overs for 26 before this ball. Will he deal with Tendulkar and Pathan? Both of them on the rampage in very different ways.
Oh, that's gone out of here. That's been caught from outside the off stump over mid-wicket for 6. 300 it is for 2.
The genius of Tendulkar, just deep in the crease, sat back, waited for it, picked his spot and hit it there.
That's 4. No safer area than over the bowler's head. Tendulkar's now.
You've already got 169, which he had when he hit that shot. 173 now.
And again, this time even better. This time for 6. What a shot. 313 for 3 days. That front foot out of the way. Intentions clear. He's going for everything, Sachin Tendulkar. He's 179 now.
They look for 2 more. In fact, he has to hurry. It's the highest score in one-day internationals. And it happens to be Sachin Tendulkar at the top of the tree once again.
And rightly so. This
And sure.
Oh, yes. MS. Oh, love it. You gotta love this. It's just a short arm pump. Those hands. Oh.
Smashed into the crowd for 6. And a quick fire 50 here for the Indian captain. Just 29 balls it's taken him to reach there. And this is again a big over. 16 of it, 1 to go. Gets it. First man on the planet to reach 200. And it's the Superman from India, Sachin Tendulkar. 200 from 147. Take a bow.
Oh, you little champion. If there was ever one deserving to break this milestone.
4 more. Well, when you see someone scoring 200, you obviously will get lost thinking about that innings. This is the 200 moment. The first man ever to get to that score in one-day internationals. 400.